Here's another Commodore 64 board, assembly number 250407. Now this one's a revision B. It has all the actual original chips, except for some of the memory chips which were damaged and socketed and replaced. But you'll notice the MOS chips are still good, nothing wrong with them at all. These ones luckily have all the major ICs, the original ones. Put the test on. I'll turn the power on and the orange light comes on. There's the screen there. Push the reset button and predictably the light goes out. That's a factory Commodore PLA in this one at the moment. We'll do that test again, turning the power off, turning the power on, the red light comes on, orange light, and turn the light off and stays off. Okay, I'll put the next chip in.